Can you imagine that this is going to be a cuddly teddy bear? Last week, Tastemade was made aware of a pretty
dynamic,
interesting,
unique,
horrifying teddy bear ad that offered a bear made out of chicken pieces. Where did we find this again?
We found it on Nextdoor.
It was only available in Louisiana, so we're gonna figure out if this is makeable today. How are we gonna use chicken to replicate a bear with no expertise? We have laid out a little to scale bear diagram that we are now gonna sort of chickenify.
Wrap that with breast here, wrap some breast there.
This is a serial killer diagram.
We don't have a knife, but they have a... We need a...
I think what we should do is tear at the chicken with our hands and teeth, right?
But don't forget, we have to save the chicken skin. You know, it's not as gross as you'd think it'd be.
No, it is. Yeah.
Oh, look at that big bone. I feel like Bobby Flay would be disappointed in us. So then that's our spine. Oh, God, the bones feel...
This is gross.
We've got all of our parts. Great.
Okay, so part 2, let's cut our own hands off because this is gross. I don't want to be attached to these anymore.
It's not as many parts as I was hoping.
No, it doesn't seem...
Let's kind of mock this up. So we've got our 2 drumsticks, body, kind of help hold it up.
Yeah, there.
Arms.
You kind of got your... Use what remains to kind of make
The
a
head.
little head. Wait, this really is amazing.
Isn't it? I didn't realize like that's how it...
Guys, tendons. That's a pretty solid chicken-based teddy bear.
I think that we could improve.
This is more upsetting than anything else.
I'm actually kind of discouraged right now. I think we should go for a round 2.
Yeah, we're gonna try again. We thought a little bit about how to do a better job.
We are realizing we need some solid reinforcements. Onion, lemon, potatoes, olives, and garlic to keep our teddy bear stabilized. For the main structure, we'll have the onion as the head, potatoes as the leg, thighs as the body, and orange for the neck. How do we want this to...
All right, here's my thought on this.
What about the front of the potato?
Oh.
Mercy. Our producer just gave us a very wise idea.
I think this is a pretty fantastic base for the head. You'll talk to someone about this
That's what therapy's
afterwards,
for.
you know, right?
I already go twice a week, so you know.
Okay. This is...
Oh my God, Sam!
Waka waka!
Sam, do you realize what we just
So cute.
So we were inspired by a Russian artist,
This is not an actual product. It was definitely a joke tweet.
but everything minus the wooden dowels in this is edible. What's our teddy bear's name? We're gonna put it in the oven at 425 degrees.
Okay. Ready?
Oh my
she's
God.
so beautiful.
Look at that!
Oh, I'm so proud. Jonathan, come in here.
Diddy, come here. Jose, are you ready? Come over here.
Oh, look at her. She's so cute. Ah, look.
This looks insane.
You're... Jose, will you eat this?
I eat it. All right, let me
Okay.
go for
All
it.
right. Ah! Oh no!
It's fantastic.
Mmm.
Fully cooked.